तो इन्होंने लेयर्स के ऐप को डाउनलोड करके उसके APK फाइल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके एनालाइज किया तो देखा कि इस ऐप में थर्ड पार्टी चाइनीज कंपनीज इंटीग्रेटेड है। और लाइव सपोर्ट से जब बात करने गए तो जवाब चाइनीज में आया।
आप लोगों ने जो मेरा कमेंट सेक्शन भरा है ना, वीडियो चाहिए।
Is the layers and arc worth it? Well, honestly, it is not worth it.
As a person who has seen some of the world, थोड़ा सा समझाइए करके मैं चुप रहना because if I say then I can't filter much.
रिव्यूज देख के कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं तो कैंसिल भी नहीं करने दे रहे। कुछ लोगों को ऑर्डर करने के पहले 3 दिनों तक कैंसिल का बटन ही नहीं दिखाया और जब दिखाया तो कहते हैं कैंसिल नहीं करते।
तो हाँ जी, किद्दा हाल चाल गाइस, सत श्री अकाल एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। नए साल की हार्दिक पांड्या शुभकामनाएं। इवन दो डर नहीं है चहल के जिंदगी में एनीमोर इट सीम्स। We feel you bro, but it's okay. 2025 is here bro. I know अभी excitement बहुत है, not for 5 साल बाद वापस जिंदा होने वाले वायरसेस की। HMPV virus cases rising lately in China and India. But बाद में settle down हो जाएगी anyways. Either way, this year is going pretty good. But for real, this year we trying all sorts of new things, taking it up a notch with this video. As you can see, I've got a new look with these smooth operating cinematic bars and the blue aesthetic cause it's all blue hundesi, which kind of looks sick though. Oh fuck. Anyways, आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी heavy breakfast होने वाली है. Not for me cause ये literally फटने वाला है and not quite in a good way because you would have seen the montage aside from the whole YouTube rewind thingy where I literally put a montage of the same thing, but whatever, we're gonna repurpose the footage again, because I'm lazy and I can't edit shit, plus I don't have time and college is gonna start in a few days. So, and yeah, of course you would have seen it. We're gonna be talking about how burners are not good for not just tables but watch Samaj parties as well. So as a watch sapien, I'm very distraught by what's going on. So without any PSP, WWE, ABCD, PTSD, OCD, TD, TV, TVF, OBC, CD लगाते हैं and let's just get right into the video, man. So who is TechBurner? For those who don't know, TechBurner is a renowned digital media company that creates content centered on humanizing technology. By curating tech information and engaging edutainment content, we hope to inspire individuals and add value to their lives. Since our inception, we have worked to make technology more approachable, fascinating, entertaining, and shareable. We are one of the country's largest tech influencers with over 7 million YouTube subscribers and a strong presence across all social media channels, providing daily content. Through its commitment to excellence for tech enthusiasts, TechBurner has endeavored to rediscover and reinvent tech content by collaborating directly with the industry. Basically, Indian Mr. Who's the Boss from Delhi, even though technically speaking, Mr. Who's the Boss के पास पंजाब है. This guy was like one of those OG tech YouTubers who came from very humble beginnings. No ego चढ़ी सर पे. Fake right side. Even though spoiler alert cause suspense कहाँ से build करूँ जब सबको already पता है क्या योड़ा लसन हो रहा है वहाँ पर. It's not so humble anymore और ego तो आ रहे हैं उस पे. वीडियो पूरा देखो cause watch time चाहिए, otherwise तुम सबके पास फ्रूटी लेने के भी औकात नहीं है. What? तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले सीधा आते हैं पॉइंट पे. Why launch a smartwatch? Well, spoiler alert, why not? Because smartwatch है bro, पूरा इंडस्ट्री फक कर देता है भाई, वो किल कर देता है एकदम, सुना नहीं है. So anyways, why launch it? Because man is ambitious, man wants to take on Apple Watch Ultra 2. Yeah, he's that ambitious because bhai, blood oxygen sensor is way fucking better than Apple Watch. Apple Watch mere lore se, that's why he launched a smartwatch. No one's gonna question anything. तुम लोग कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाओगे, only I will make a video क्योंकि मुझे views चाहिए. But anyways, this is the true lore. No one's gonna say shit. But for real, man, I mean, he was good till, when he made the whole layers overlays thing. If you don't know, Mr. TechBurner has launched a clothing brand and it's called Overlays, Layers Overlays, and it's actually pretty good. No scam, no bullshit. It's actually a really good brand. But I don't know why, what the fuck happened with Layers Anarch. All sorts of anarchy is going on, but ठीक है यार, होता है भाई, चलता है. maybe YouTubers should not get into businesses, especially with, you know, what's going on with YouTubers launching products and failing big time. And now apparently Fukra Insan and Triggered Insan are launching their fitness app, product, service. I don't know what it is because as of this recording it's not out now. We'll see what happens later on. I'll update you maybe in a short. हाँ shorts भी देखो भाई, please. Views नहीं आ रहे हैं उस पे भी नहीं आएंगे, but whatever. देखो भाई मैं I fucking put out shorts and उसमें असली shit के बारे में बात करता हूँ यार, और इतना easy नहीं होता यार. Like I mean it's very hard to put it out, okay, but still. Anyways, bakchodi asides, forget God's plan. Here's Bernal's plan. He's gonna fuck up the industry in a good way. He's just gonna kill it, man. You guys don't understand the level of cojones. Is that a word? I don't know. It takes to fucking launch a smartwatch. So please never disrupt Bernal's plan. You can disrupt God's plan by using Kendrick Lamar songs. What joke is this? Anyways, let's just get into the next chapter right away, cause I can't fucking speak and मेरे को segue करना नहीं आता है, तो edit में ही कर दूंगा या फिर ये cut हो जाएगा. But good marketing, to be honest, he did pretty well marketing. And the product was marketed well to an extent until it launched. I mean, its launch was very fishy, which we'll get to later in the later on segments. It could be done better, to be honest, you know, the whole launch of the product and marketing. You know, they use basic marketing, which is good, okay, but the part where the shit hits the fan, where all hell breaks loose, where Rio gets shit, is the fact that the UI and design of the product was pretty much not ready. The overall product wasn't ready, and this table rights offender, as a table sapien, I am very offended by this and will request the Supreme Court to take strict action on this guy. Man, jo kya bol raha hu. Still fucking launch this shit. I mean, he should have been prepared for constructive criticism like he seemed to suggest in the beginning. But I guess fooling Indian non-technologically challenged consumers, technical Guruji, spoiler alert, runs in the DNA. This is a joke. अब इस पे legal notice मत डालना भाई. Forget it, वो तो वैसे भी डाल के block कर देंगे इस video को, as if पिछले video का gun wasn't fucking enough. But well, he was not, and so he began replying to pretty much everyone reviewing his watch. Obviously they wouldn't do that, and this pre-burnt burner thought that's a new bad thing for some reason. What the fuck? In a not so healthy manner. And as if that wasn't enough, man legit threatened to strike a creator named Rohit Rajgupta. Oh man, bro's got that aura in his name, by the way. So sweet. ऐसे बोलो जैसे his dad saw my videos पहले से ही, before I started making them, और फिर नाम रख दिया हो. But whatever, man. And of course वो बंदा back down क्यों नहीं करेगा when it's a fucking legal notice ban जो पूरा career जिंदगी higher, lower, upper, left, right, corner, not corner, education बर्बाद हो गया. And so the other RR decided to take a U-turn and apologize, but not before putting some dirt in his eye via Spotify के lyrics, because bro को भी पता था कि वीडियो के बाद प्रीमियम शिट के लेने के पैसे आएंगे नहीं जाएंगे फटके बटुए से. But for real, this shit is very bad. It's really fucked up and it sucks, you know, seeing all this. But don't worry, this aura won't back down, hopefully, cause video to banegi. Even though साल की शुरुआत में ही मेरी motivation की पैंती सीरी हो चुकी है, because rewind video हो गई थी block, उसके बाद channel reach की हो गई cock block, और अब ये video पता नहीं क्या होगा इसका. भैंचोद गान फट रही है मेरी, not because ये चूतिया मेरी वीडियो देख सकता है शायद, बट बिकॉज फिर से रीच के लौड़े लग जाएंगे. Anyways, aside from trying my rubberies out, रोना है भैंचो और कैसे बोलूं. After the more famous RR backs out, Burner gets this crazy arse confidence that कभी कभी लगता है पुनिश भगवान है and literally goes on to damage control, and it gets worse because the features Mr. Unearth promised seemed very goddamn cool. Yeah, so fucking cool. The UI was so epic. The industry was about to crash. This guy was about to launch his monopoly and shit. Everything was going so cool. But damn, I guess the Chinese software support really ruined that shit, despite him literally modifying the Anarch site, I don't know, like 42069 times or something, making things very, very sus. Riyakal Paji, abhi aapke gal bhi sunenge. रुक जाओ, थम जाओ. मतलब पूरा पैर जो सेल्फ लानत खिंच के सी मतलब अपने आप ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ नहीं करदा कुछ. If you know, you know. We reference no promo cause जब तक पाजी पैसे नहीं देंगे आपा कोई गल नहीं करेंगे, even though I just did that. What? But the real question is, why market it in a good way, but then delete threads and tweets? Yes, bro, literally deleted those sexy ass analysis. Jitna Dhruv और Vedant साथ में नहीं कर पाए. I mean, seriously, those tweets were already kissing your already burned ass after YouTubers made videos on your watch, and you were literally just like, nah, bro, we gotta Oppenheimer that shit, bro. Oh man, this guy. भाई मैं हंसू, रो, हटू, I don't know what to do. भाई क्या हो रहा है यार ये. Anyways. Yes, this is the main shit. Anyway, shit really hits the fan when, just kidding guys, even though I am not Mr. Insa Chutiya Garibo ko bhi khareed sakta hu Paji interjects his bunda into this topic, which was a bit surprising cause these two goobers literally were in the same fucking video face to face. Yes, this is the one where pretty much all the tech YouTubers mainstream actually, cause who is gonna talk about all those apne naam kya get technical laga lo and see the list of channels pop up, cause मैं तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा, otherwise ये video for 2069 hours नहीं साल long हो जाएगी. Yes, एक video बहनचोद from India legit sat in one table face to face IRL and discussed tech when Mr. Technology Gyan tried to, I'm saying tried because if he actually did, this video would never come out or the parts would have been cut and censored, cause India में रोज shows पे आने वाले लोगों को ऑफेंड होने की आदत सी लग गई है. दोगलापन, खुशा. But point is, Tech Gyan asked this Burner guy, bro, RR made a video on you like this one isn't, and what did you do? And in response, Burner said, मैंने legal notice भेज दिया बैठ जो उसका पूरा खानदान खत्म, it's fucking over bro, नाचो पैर के लड़. And lo and behold, the Mr. जिसके पास सारा पैसा होता है but views नहीं, but still likes to show off so much that even German products attract to him. Bro, not this guy. Yeah, this guy. Like bro is legit me right now. बैंचो मुझे खुशी क्यों हो रही है, even though हम दोनों कंगाल हैं और बैंचो हम दोनों, me and this technological train wreck are broke in terms of views. Anyways, technological Guruji enters and says, well, as a tech YouTuber, I would like to stay silent because if I open my mouth and sneeze with that Pinocchio's nose, then y'all are finished. But psych, bro legit uploads a Q&A video on his own channel and extrapolates upon this topic and says some weird cryptic stuff like, and yeah, उसके बाद झाट भर का लीगल नोटिस आया नहीं even as of this recording, even though मुझे आ जाएगा बैठ जो भागो. I know कब से सस्पेंस बिल्ड करने की कोशिश कर रहा था और अब लफड़ों और मजे ही मजे के संसार पे मुंह दिया मैंने. बट लाइक होता है यार, हर मूवी थोड़ी ना बॉक्स ऑफिस पे हिट होती है क्लाइमैक्स के बाद, इवन दो फालूदे उससे अच्छा कर देते. Yeah, this is an actual news. I am not AI generating this shit for real, bro. So pretty much after all this, burner की छेद which निकल गया मूड इसके बाद, and then we get this video.
आप में से कुछ लोगों ने वो क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि भाई कोई क्रिटिसिज्म दे रहा था आप लीगल नोटिस भेज के क्यों वीडियो डाला रोहित भाई की वीडियो। तो एक क्रिएटर है रोहित भाई, उन्होंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी जहां पे उन्होंने काफी अच्छी चीजें बताई, जैसे उन्होंने ट्रैकिंग के बारे में बताया था कि हमारी वॉच की ट्रैकिंग जब उन्होंने कंपेयर करी हार्ट रेट सेंसर जैसे छाती में पहनते हैं प्रोफेशनली यूज होता है, काफी साइकिलिस्ट और जो रनर्स होते हैं वो यूज करते हैं, उससे कंपैरिजन में हमारी हार्ट रेट ट्रैकिंग होती है। उसके अलावा उन्होंने बताया कि भाई हमारी ऐप के अंदर चाइनीज में चैट आ रही है, हमने इमोशनल मार्केटिंग करी है कुछ फील्ड जगह थे, अनएपेक्स वेयर करके एक ऐप थी जिससे हमारी घड़ी भी कनेक्ट होती है, बहुत सारे छोटे-छोटे फैक्ट्स उन्होंने कंपाइल करा था। एंड में उन्होंने अपना स्टेप हमारे प्रोडक्ट को वाइट लेबल के हमने चाइना से कॉपी पेस्ट करा, और साथ इमोशनल मार्केटिंग और फ्रॉड और हमने झूठ बोला, ये सारी चीजें उन्होंने दी। तो हमने वो वीडियो देखी तब भाई ने टेस्टिंग काफी मेहनत करी थी, जो सिनेमैटिक्स थे, जो इफेक्ट्स थे, सारी चीजें काफी बढ़िया से लगाए थे, बट ये फैक्ट्स को कंपाइल करके जो एक एंड में कंक्लूजन था कि भाई हम ये सारी चीजें हैं, हम सब ये वो एक्यूरेट नहीं।
मतलब ये सब बात तो चलो ठीक है, समझ लिया कि भाई तारीफ कर दो बंदे की जिससे कि हमें लोग माफ कर दे, फिर उसके बाद ये बोलो कि उसका कंक्लूजन कि हम लुक्के लुटेरे हैं, हमने जनता का फुद्दू बनाया है, व्हाटएवर। भैन जो बहुत मैनिपुलेट यार, ओ सॉरी मैन, ई पोल्यूशन करता है ये बर्नॉल की दुकान। मतलब टेबल को असॉल्ट करना काफी नहीं था जो इसने अब ये सब धंधा भी शुरू कर दिया हो। I mean, what's this fucking ass-touching story shit, man? अब क्या होगा यार और क्या करना चाहिए? Well, to be honest, I don't really know, man. With this whole notices and Anotska kill, I can only hope that people get justice and this guy really gets some help. For real. I mean, as a tech enthusiast, as a person who really has been loving playing around with pretty much all sorts of gadgets and technology my whole life, as well as YouTube and maybe YouTube India a bit, it's pretty disheartening to see this whole situation unfold. I mean, with this whole backtracking and politics and creator downfalls, I was kind of hoping that from the back of my mind, being optimistic about YouTube was launching a product. I know, मैंने पहले सेगमेंट में भी बोला था कि यूट्यूबर्स को बिजनेस में नहीं आना चाहिए, स्पेशली आफ्टर द होल Feastables Prime and Launchly fiasco, लेकिन I was a bit optimistic यार that maybe there would be one guy at least who would genuinely launch a good product and really change the game, considering his layers overlays was a critical success and I kind of supported it like everyone else, but I guess, you know, overlays didn't get the attention Anarch did, and Anarch got the attention for all the wrong reasons, cause I think rushing this whole Anarch thing was a huge arse mistake जो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए। पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी क्या नौबत आ गई थी इस वॉच को इतना जल्दी लॉन्च करने की, considering the UI and all the other main stuff weren't ready. Like भैंचो 1-2 साल और delayed हो जाते यार तो क्या हुआ bro, we would have waited and received it well enough. Well, at least if you would not do these things, but in the near future instead, in an alternate parallel universe, but whatever, what's the use of fretting? Because unlike the Batman Part 2 being delayed to 2027, no matter what, this watch would still be kinda doomed, considering the competition would literally eat this thing for breakfast in one sitting. But again, at least we would have been proud of you, man, Burner, if you're watching this. I know legal notices भेजना और गलती ना एक्सेप्ट करके इग्नोर करते रहना और लोगों को लूटना बहुत आसान है, बट एज यू नो इट योरसेल्फ बेटर देन आई डू, वो इज्जत और ऑडियंस का प्यार कमाने में और सही लीगल तरीके से पैसे कमाने में उसको सालों साल लग जाते हैं। All those restless nights and working yourself too hard every single day and getting literally barely any fucking results, it is crazy. मैं चाहे कितना भी मजाक कर लूँ इस वीडियो में, कितने भी मीम्स डालूँ, टट्टी साउंड इफेक्ट्स with cinematic aesthetic and that shitty ass audio of mine and still act like bhenchod I am Batman and still act so cool, but like in all this nonsense हम success के पीछे भागते रहते हैं thinking कि life is short and like relatives keep begging us after exams, आज नहीं तो कल results चाहिए bhenchod, but bro half the time that shit doesn't fucking matter, only how you do your epic shit and the relationship you have with your audience, not had, because I know you like to glorify your bad present pun intended, by using your successful past and how you maintain a healthy and stable relationship with them is what really matters. And you know it yourself, man. So go backtrack a bit, not your mistakes and all those videos and hide the truth behind lies, but fucking reflect on your stuff, man, or improve karo, काम करो. श्वेता गंगार के videos देखो यार, भाई जिंदगी बदल जाएगी कसम से. I'm telling you, I'm speaking from experience. So Shwetab is really killing it, and I really like it, man. Like when you see the underrated guy getting views and really getting the stuff he deserves, it's beautiful. So I just hope that you follow his example, man. All the good stuff. I mean, I normally don't give these kinds of long ass pep talks to influencers I make videos on, but come on, this year I'm really trying to be optimistic and issue a better message and value through my videos. So I just hope all parties improve and all this mess gets sorted as soon as possible. बाकी आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी नीचे कमेंट्स में बताओ, और अगर वीडियो से आप सहमति जताते हो तो लाइक कीजिए, और अगर नहीं तो कमेंट कीजिए और डिसलाइक ही करिए cause बहुत टाइम हो गया है. Anyways, Bakchodi aside, share this video with your friends and all, not family, cause you know why, to inform them of incidences like these and make them technologically educated and informed, cause आजकल बहुत सारे scams हो रहे हैं. ये लोग करेंगे नहीं करेंगे स्कैम आपके साथ, फिर भी it's good to be informed. And yeah, subscribe. इस पे ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा other than just दबाओ bell icon को once you click that sexy ass button. While this is free, it helps the channel and means a lot, encouraging me to make more videos like these. On motivation की भी ज़रूरत है because like I said before, लौड़े लगते रहते हैं as always. So if you want no लौड़े लगना इस साल तो कर दो सब हैंचो. And if you want to know पिछले साल के best moments and क्या क्या कांड हुए हैं in the Indian social media scene, then इस वीडियो को देखिए. And if you want to know why doing anything to views to get short-term success is a bad idea, then click on this video. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. This is Aura Smith signing off.